YouTubers. Today we're gonna go make some popcorn. Let's go. Okay, first we're gonna put a little bit of popcorn. All the way until you see that line. A little bit more. I think I put a little bit more than this. I'll do it all again.
That's perfect.
Okay.
One thing at a time.
That's the right. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put the popcorn here. Turn it on and make it spin until like the popcorn gets so dizzy that it starts turning into popcorn. Somebody got to have the eye in it just in case that it goes here, only here, and you start folding up. Now we gotta keep spinning it a little bit. Okay? Hear that pop sound? It starts to pop. That's why they call it popcorn. They're like little corns, right? That's why they call it popcorn. Not like pop chocolate. And we'll popcorn where they'll burst out and what's it? Burst out. Whoa, look! See? So popcorn, it bursts out from the outside and right? Oh yeah, and when it's finished, who likes popcorn without taste? You're gonna have that song. No, that's good. Well, it's cold. I like cold. And olive oil and butter.
It's okay. It's rip up. Leave it there. It's alright. It's okay. Just keep turning. So if some get out of the way, don't worry. Your brothers are ready to pick them up.
When you see that sound and none is coming more, you turn it off.
Wait, it's a little hot. You have to wait.
Let it cool down.
Parent supervision necessary.
Let's get a glove. Glove? No, they're here, right?
What are you looking for?
I'll just kiss it.
That's not the glove. No.
Like this.
No, that's bad idea. Very bad. Here are the things for if you need something. You can wear a towel. No burns your hand. Yes, you can use that one.
Then you're going to see little kernels of these left, and then you can put it back to make more popcorn.
Oh, with the ones that didn't pop? Okay.
Yeah. So that's how you do it.
Let me see how many are left. Oh, there's no almost nothing in the machine.
Yeah, but there's,
And it's not oil or anything. Girl,
no, there's nothing
they're
there.
air pop.
But there could be a lot in
Listen,
here.
we need salt and a little olive oil on top.
No, let's get that. This is the best.
Sun. A little more salt. Just shake it.
Go. Okay, that should be enough.
Try one to see what it needs.
That's it.
Cover this up. Turn it off.
We're gonna put the popcorn in. That should be enough for one.
One, put it in here. Fill up the other.
Okay, easy ways. Can I do the last one?
Yes, two. Nicolas, here.
Yeah, I eat slow on good stuff, so I don't waste it all.
Thank you.
So when we do like a 1 or 2 hour movie, he gets popcorn, and then at the end of the movie, he has like half the popcorn left. No, he has a lot extra. So good. Only 1 or 2 minutes for this good popcorn. And this is the fried people. That's raw pop. I hope you like our video of air popcorn, or you can visit our other cooking channel. Yes!